For over 16 years, Etihad has been flying from Abu Dhabi to the world. On a typical day, the airline conducts over 220 flights, but in late March of 2020, something unprecedented happened.
The leadership of Abu Dhabi has very wisely decided to close our airport for inbound and outbound traffic.
At the direction of the UAE government, over 100 aircraft returned to Abu Dhabi, and for most of them, their engines went silent. Etihad's cargo freighters are still in the air, and some aircraft are being flown on critical routes in order to get people home. But what about the rest of them? What happens to those aircraft as they wait to take to the skies again?
I've never seen anything like this before in my aviation career. At the moment, we have about 80% of the fleet in the parking mode. There's a lot of things we have to do. We have to cover the engine intake and exhaust to protect internal workings from the environment, such as the sand and dust. The sensors all have to be blocked. Lots of other items, such as disconnecting batteries to preserve the aircraft. We have engineers working around the clock maintaining the aircraft. They're a very intricate, complex piece of machinery. It's not like parking a car, we have to keep them maintained. So we will be running engines, powering up the aircraft, checking the flight controls while these aircraft are in the parking mode. In the hangars, we have aircraft undergoing heavy maintenance checks. We're also doing a cabin refresh. All the passenger seats will be checked individually. So far, we've replaced 10,000 seat covers and backrest covers. All the carpets are being shampooed and washed. We have about 200 people per shift working just on this.
We worked closely with fleet management to advance some of the maintenance checks that are due later, whether it's a 777 or a 787 or a 380. We're taking every opportunity during this time, including product improvement. We do this maintenance to the best standard, best quality.
We're working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When our aircraft go back into service, for the passenger, it will be like getting onto a brand new aircraft. Once the world starts returning to normal, we will be ready.